Okay, so this is 2 weeks after lumbar fusion,
Yeah.
and this is what we did. So there was the collapsed disc, and then we put the cage and screws, and this was done as a day case procedure.
Yeah.
You came in the morning, you went home later on in the afternoon. So how are you feeling?
I feel great. Like compared to the way I was moving and the pains and stuff I was experiencing,
Yeah.
I'm a different man. I
Right.
really am.
I mean, you're looking really upright,
Yeah,
all
my
straight.
posture has been massively improved.
Yeah.
I
And that
feel
pain
like
you
I'm
used to
totally-
get and the instability and things.
Absolutely. So all of the instant like movement-based pain.
Yeah.
Anything, but before where I'd move, I get very sharp
Yes.
pain in my legs.
And there you are, you can play with your...
I've been able to play with my son within I was sat on the floor
Yeah.
playing trains with my son within 3 days.
Wow, amazing.
The recovery has been quite remarkable.
Yeah.
Honestly. Like,
Can I mean, now the spine is stable, so can you just bend a little?
Absolutely, I can bend quite.
Look at that.
Nice.
That's 2 weeks after lumbar fusion
I can-
as a day case. Yeah,
yeah,
amazing.
I feel really good.
Yeah, let's see you walking.
Sure, I can walk almost.
Yeah,
I've really been out
and
for,
then the other
I've been
way
out for a couple
with
of
exercise. And,
half-hour walks.
Yeah.
With
Wow.
my son.
that is
It's great.
brilliant, brilliant.
2
That's really good.